think one of the challenges we have at IBM and also with the Bluemix project itself is, can we bring that startup mentality, tool set, speed, innovation process to the enterprise? As we talk to customers, we're kind of seeing two sides of the organization, and it's almost two separate conversations we're having with them. Many of them are very focused on the whole side of innovation. They see the disruption that's coming about. They see the startups coming in. They don't want to be Ubered or Airbnb'd in their industries. So many of them are going out to the West Coast to see how are the startups working, how are they moving so fast, how are they taking advantage of the cloud, and how do they get some of that as well. Counter to that, when we talk to the IT organization, they're looking at how do they move quicker, how do they do things more expedient, how do they take advantage of the cloud.
If you look at our capabilities from a platform perspective, Cloud Foundry gives you high-velocity, application-centric deployment and execution models. Containers give you a very portable mechanism to take, in some cases, existing workloads and put them in as containers. And our patterns and VM services lets us institutionalize, automate existing applications. How all of them come together under common context of accessing services, security models, routing, networking, etc., is a very critical element of what a platform should be. And that's what we are taking Bluemix towards.
Regardless of where I see clients' entry point into cloud and really into kind of platform technologies, it's going to end up being hybrid. And so regardless of whether they want to start at cloud native applications or start to port and migrate maybe cloud enabled applications with more legacy middleware, we've got a place for them to start around Bluemix. And that starting place really centers around where the applications are going to run, but then the interconnectivity and that hybrid connectivity back to enterprise data inside their data center.
We provide a set of extremely good capabilities around there, whether it's a secure gateway with data power, whether it's our API management solutions, or whether it's things like Z-Connect that exposes core Z functions as RESTful interfaces. All of these capabilities, along with the DataWorks capability, allow you to create applications that take advantage of the capabilities you've built, both functions as well as data, over many, many years.
I've looked to a lot of enterprise clients and we've been talking through their cloud journey. Many of them have embarked on a private cloud strategy on-premise around infrastructure and platform. And they start to realize the challenges or the amount of investment it takes for them to have to maintain and keep up. And most of them can't. So when we start looking at our delivery model of delivering Bluemix as a service, as a cloud service, regardless of public, dedicated, or local, that's the value that we're going to provide, keeping them current with the community, keeping the rate and pace available for their developers so they can speed their business.
For the past 25 years, we've been delivering analytics, databases, app servers, really the core robust software that people are using to run their overall enterprise. And those are the same services that we're bringing to the cloud. Now, we've added some new ones like Watson, like DashDB, et cetera, that takes that game even further. But I think the unique point that IBM has is that there has yet to be an enterprise problem that we don't have experience with or that we have not seen before. I think when customers go deeper with our cloud strategy, they'll find out that all of that experience means that IBM just doesn't blink. We don't hesitate. You bring your problem, we've seen it before, and we're going to show you how to solve it in the cloud.